Hey Treeple! Some of you might know me as Femalelumberjack from Instagram and Facebook. I'm studying to become a forest and nature technician, fancy word for lumberjack, specializing as an arborist. So since I live in Europe, I've had the chance to work on the Stihl 500 already, and a lot of you have asked how it is, and I figured I'd do a review on my thoughts. Bear with me, English isn't my native tongue, so I've got a weird accent. I hope you can hear me through the wind, but that's why I'm wearing a headset. So let's talk about the saw. It's the first chainsaw with fuel injection, which means there's no choke, and it literally starts on the first pull every time, so that's perfect when working with the saw. Just prime the bulb 6 to 8 times and it starts on the first pull, even from cold. There is a stop button on here, but as you can see, no start and choke function. So yeah, you just pull away and it stops. Perfect. It will be easy to climb with this saw because of the light weight, so that's good too. The 500 revs from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in less than a second. The Stihl 500 revs from 0 to 62 miles per hour in less than a second. It's got the best power to weight ratio on any manufactured chainsaw so far. If you're thinking about getting this saw or the 462, I would definitely get the 500i. It's got 6.8 horsepower and weighs about the same, so I would definitely get this saw instead. Compared to the 661, it feels about the same. It's got less horsepower, but you can't really feel the difference. So this is a nice new addition. Compared to the 572 Husqvarna, this saw is more powerful and it's also lighter in weight, so there's not really that much to think about. The only negative thing about this saw is that she is thirsty. But since that's the only negative thing, I can bear with her. Okay, so this was a very short review. But just sharing some of my thoughts so far. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. And do follow me on Instagram, Femalelumberjack. I love to share my work on there. And that's it. See you later. .572 Husqvarna,
oh.
Even from cold. Just prime the bulb a few times. Don't know what this is, you're an idiot. Shouldn't use it all. This is a singing review.
Yeah.
Just prime the bulb. Okay, no.